That's going way easier now.
Keep your hand over that for a minute.
Yeah. I'll put a new gearbox on that side over there, but we're thinking there's air in the system. I don't know. But trying to drive this thing up the road, not happening.
Go ahead. Back and forth, man.
That up there. Yeah, go all the way and then all the way. The other way. There's a bleeder on that side over there you unloosen. Is there a bleeder on this one or no? No, right?
No.
No, only that one, okay.
Good with the line.
Gotta bleed the line on this one.
Yeah,
Yeah, keep
it.
going.
Okay, stop.
Your arm's tired. Is that the bleeder?
Nope, that's not the bleeder yet.
Okay, all right.
Go ahead and go again.
Let me see it. That's the new gearbox. And like I had no issues with this, and that seal went on the back side of this, and we never ran an added fluid, but I mean maybe enough to burn the pump out. Maybe it's not pumping enough.
Hold on. I have one other thing that I can try.
You ready? The wood lock, like, did you get it? Oh my god, I'm covered.
No, I'm fucking like, I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Let me look at it.
It's almost like we're pushed too tight, so I can't twist.
Or, you know what? You gotta turn that elbow a little bit, maybe? Wait, I didn't touch the elbow, though. Let me see it. Let me see. I mean, that elbow needs to get turned towards me, man. There's no way. Covered. Covered, baby. Oh my god. People say, why don't you buy a new truck?
Don't need it.
Oh man.
Want to hand me that wrench?
Yeah. You got that quick. Should have been filming that whole thing. What a nightmare. Oh.
Check how much fluid's in there, because I don't want to fill this thing up a lot.
Yeah, just straight down.
Hydraulic line on the bed or whatever, these little wrenches are nice to have.
All right, I mean, everything's tight, so I guess.
Start it up, try it.
the moment of truth. These lines, I think, were on backwards.
Turn's fine. Go jump in and try to turn it.
All right, so.
You've driven it. I just haven't.
All right, so the lines were on backwards. So we had to change these, and now it's steering. So that just saved me like $600 for a pump. So, but yeah, these lines were totally backwards, which was my fault because I took them off at the same time and didn't look where they were going because I thought it was obvious, but it was obviously opposite of what I thought. So, all right, see, I'm in here now. So. All right, well, that's fixed now. The lines were on backwards because that new gearbox got put on, and I took the lines off at the same time and I put them back on, and what it was doing, it was fighting. So you try to steer, it would just lock up in the middle of the road. It was bad. So cool. All right, guys, well, I guess that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.